What the fuck?
Including the following county, Cherokee.
What?
When? Until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday.
Where did that come from?
Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations
Bro.
is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 11:10 p.m. Central Standard Time.
What?
Reporting gauges indicate elevated levels along the Cherokee River above Weiss Lake. This will cause low-land flooding along the Cherokee River above Weiss Lake. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cedar Bluff, Galesville, Cornwall Furnace Park, Eastern
Really?
Weiss Lake, and Western Weiss Lake. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads.
Flood warning.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is your national Aniston and Gadsden listen.
Okay, they pulled that right out of their ass. They pulled that right out of their goddamn ass.